Welcome to the Flower Bowl Entertainment Centre, nestled in the heart of Preston. This hidden gem is the ultimate destination for fun, food, and fantastic experiences. If you're ready to rediscover entertainment, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button on my channel, Rediscover to the World, for more amazing travel and event content. Unwind at the Flower Bowl's luxury cinema. Sink into plush seats and immerse yourself in the latest blockbusters or classic favorites. It's not just a movie, it's an experience. First up, let's talk about the state-of-the-art bowling lanes. Whether you're a pro aiming for strikes or just here for a fun time, the Flower Bowl's bowling alley offers the perfect mix of style and excitement. Plus, the friendly vibe makes it a hit for all ages. Next, let's tee off at their crazy golf course. Trust me, this isn't your average mini-golf. The whimsical designs, challenging holes, and a touch of humor make it an unforgettable experience for everyone. So, who's ready to test their skills? Now, here's something truly unique, the UK's only dedicated curling rink. Whether you're new to curling or a seasoned fan, it's an absolute must-try. It's not every day you get to experience such a rare sport in such a welcoming environment. Feeling hungry? The dining options here are top-notch. From hearty meals to light bites, the Flower Bowl has a variety of restaurants and cafes to satisfy every craving. Pro tip, don't skip dessert. So, what are you waiting for? Plan your visit to the Flower Bowl Entertainment Centre and make memories that last a lifetime. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button on Rediscover to the World for more amazing adventures. See you in the next video. Rediscover to the World, subscribe, like, share and comment.